In this video, we are going to show you how to set up webhooks in Emergent AI. So it's only a couple of steps to do so. So what we want to do is we need to type in our prompt. Okay, so we're going to just paste it here. So I want to set up an outgoing webhook. Every time a new user completes the onboarding flow, send a JSON payload to this URL. The payload should include the user's email, their chosen username, and the sign up underscore timestamp. So we're going to give it that right now. Send it that. Okay, number one. Let's go with new build. Number two, just email. Number three, A. Number four, A. Number five, none. Let's do that. All right, so now it's actually going to test the agent. This is actually the last step. It actually skipped, which is very impressive because the last step is for me to test the simulation run, whether or not it's going to connect properly or not. So now it's testing the agent properly. So we're just not gonna, don't click stop, by the way. Let it wait. You know, let's make it test everything to make sure everything is working. Right, it has its final screenshot, so flow is working perfectly. The success page is showing the webhook payload that was sent to Zapier. Now it's checking the backend logs to verify the webhook was actually sent. We're almost done. Okay, now it's checking its error logs. All right, now we are done. So as you can see here, I can see the webhook is being sent successfully. The webhook is firing correctly. The 404 expected since the Zapier webhook URL is a placeholder. The important thing is that the post request is being made with the correct payload, and now it has everything. So every new registration triggers post to this URL with the user data verified in logs. Next action is now we can either see open the preview or deploy it now. So as you can see, we are now done setting up webhooks in Emergent AI. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.